Oh, that look great? You make how much people happy now? Not just one?
I feel like give an eye. Pop show, pop show, pop show. Yeah, we start plow again. So that's auntie there. Oh yeah.
Listen, nice to see you, dog.
Good and beautiful.
One more. 3 hearts are happy.
Cold-hearted people.
Oh gosh.
Evil. Hey.
Alright,
They
so
hey. Them see the glory, them don't know my pain.
Them want me fall like Saddam Hussein.
Hey.
People.
Yeah. You see the bank fingers of banana.
Yeah, man.
Oh, chef with dumpling in the hand.
Well, let me show them car. See them there. Oliver see there. Carla. Now go big, you know, because the money alright for you know. You know? Yeah, man. Oliver can eat 4, Carla can eat 3. Yes, me I say.
See there.
Yeah, man. Enough. Yes, me I say. Yeah, 2.
Take your time, Sandra. So Oliver and Carla pass through now. We have SATNAM and his wife he pass through.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
one plant transplant. Can't plant the pepper. Can't plant the pepper. What are you doing? What are you doing? Drop the seed in the hole and thing. Now what? Drop the seed in the hole. Just put some seed around.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Straight, you know?
Pop chow popping up.
Yeah, man. So then the pop, you know?
Pop chow, pop.
Some more seeds dropping in the ground, you know?
Beautiful. Pure pop chow popping up.
We have a transplant them, just drop the seed in the ground, you know? Just water them, man, and them come up, you know?
Pure pop chow is popping up. Some big, some small, but them all gonna get there. I know so some of the seed them is dropping in us as well to look like.
pass. I pop to see them. Yeah, car.
Catch them that sprinkle them so. Yeah. Catch them the sprinkle them so. A good look.
Right. Yeah. I later again start out them so. Ready? One clean up a bed in already. That's some more clean you have to go down to. Drop them, dig them out one by one and put them on. Go and pepper them. Bumbo piece.
Half you give an eye. Pop show, pop show, pop show. Yeah, I forgot to start plow again. I forgot to plow out these. The pop show them beautiful. How are you? Yeah. Color look. Color look, color look, color look. Your color look. Color look, color look, color look. Push up now. Here we got the okras. The okras, the okras, the okras, the okras. Look at the okras, beautiful. The okras, the okras, the okras. Okra there already. to blossom already. Okra start blossom. We almost blossom. This okra looking beautiful as you can see. As you can see the okra trees. Look at them get real big quick. Yeah man, look at them get real big. You can see like okra push out already. Them shooting. No man, look at them man shooting. Pumpkins. Farming is not a easy road. You see the glamour and the glitter and them think I better rose. But who feels it knows? Them pumpkin over here, so run up and down fat in the rock, tall pea. Wild bush them come back quicker. So when you start run, point them in our direction.
Last my uncle and I took the turn.
What is it?
Yeah. But what is the kind of miles this? That's right.
Melon. Raggy there. Raggy. And then boy and name some of the things in there. peas and now give you a break. So we clean them out. So them come back.
So them forward, so we get the work out there.
Yeah. He's not giving us a break. Pumpkin them is all about. These wire bush now give you a break. So we get rid of them so them come back. So them go, so them come. The pumpkin them must strive. The pumpkin them is striving. Eh? Yeah. Dream team, one team. Dream team, one team. As I can see, the journey continues. So we have to take it on. It's a marathon. It's very long. It's not an easy road. But you don't know, you already know the code. Hard work is the key. You know, that is the code. Determination, determination on the road, success. So we're not giving up. Them wild bush having them rice and peas. They give you a warm time, but salt rice, so we get rid of it. So we don't have a remedy yet to get rid of it. Yeah, so I give you a warm time. Don't have a remedy to get rid of it as yet. So keep on try to get rid of it. So I think we're consistent. We're not down here often. If we're down here often enough, then we could at least maintain it. You know, because we have that town and then come back up. So if they like on a daily basis, we know so as we see it pop up, we get rid of it. But yeah, in everything, you know, there's struggle. The struggle is always real, but the struggle cannot get over us. We have to stay strong. You know, because it's all in the mind. So what we say is what we get. And the rice and peas that shall go. And when them go, they shall not return. You know, because dream team is about, right? Yeah. We're gonna get rid of it. And it's not gonna come back. Let's watch. In time. Wow, chef in the kitchen, yes, making it work.
Straight work.
Cut up the pumpkin,
yeah,
the chicken for jerk.
Red, gold and green style, you know.
As usual.
Straight.
Represent for the earth.
Yes, man.
Mother Earth.
So then the pumpkin, you know. And the soup we are boiling, you know. Boiling some hard food, you know.
Yes, with the banana. Pop show them looking nice. So can see there. Red, green and gold. Yeah, as usual, when I always say.
Yeah, man.
See the red, you see the green, you see the gold. You see the ackee, stand for the gold.
Yeah, man, and the car stand for the gold, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, call all over the earth, you know. Represent the land, you know.
Banana them there.
See.
Okra.
Yeah, man.
You know the thing, pumpkin in the hand.
You know. I just start kick up your slash, eh? Yeah, cause you know. drop in the hard food them first, you know.
Pumpkin in a hand and pumpkin in a pot.
So, see me I say, drop in the pumpkin, look there, the gold color you get for the pumpkin, you know. Yeah, man, give the water a nice flavor, you know.
So the pumpkin is beautiful.
Beautiful, you see it, yeah, man.
Imagine how we start do our own pumpkin.
Oh, we'll have pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin, everything.
Everything in a pumpkin.
I have to make some pumpkin juice.
Pumpkin juice. Yeah, that's alright. Alright, pumpkin with the sauce. Yeah, man.
To the back.
Blend out the sauce and the pumpkin. Just boil it first and then blend it out and then we just juice the sauce up. Use the same water.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Yeah, but I blew the pumpkin first and then just strain it. You see me I use the water and deal with the sauce up. So that, jeez.
Ready for them.
I'm going to produce it, it's so hot, man, you know?
Well, I'm there, so I'm still look on the pop show.
Yeah, man.
I'll show them the pop show again. But your pop show, you could have cut and steam right now, you know, people. Look, see that, could have cut and steam already, you know. Cut and steam. See they cut and steam right now, pop show. Cut and steam. Cut and steam already. See there, cut and steam. Cut and steam. Cut and steam. Capturing the scheme, you know. See them young, some mature early, and some premature. But it's still a work. I make some bearings dumpling, my bearings wheel.
I can't go hard on the big one them now, because the big one them, when my boss I can't wheel, you know. I have to give them the bearings when you go into the cart wheel, look a small one, so.
Yeah.
Round and look, see that? Logo, you know, Chelsea logo. You know?
So you know, so I have to go plant out the sweet pepper them now.
Oh, yes, man.
Yeah, I go plant, I go over there, so. I plant out the sweet pepper them.
Yeah, man, by next week we have hot pepper on the ground to plant out, you know? Yeah, so sweet pepper, we have hot pepper. Man, Scotch body.
That is it. Hold on, if the right man I call that. Clive. Yeah. You see the fingers of banana.
Yeah, man.
Oh, chef with dumpling in the hand.
Hold on, let me show them, see them there. Yeah, man, Oliver see there. Carla, I go big, you know, because the man they're alright for you know. You know? Yeah, man. And Oliver can eat 4, Carla can eat 3, you see me I say?
See there.
Yeah, man, because enough big, you see me I say? Yeah, with 2 finger banana. Look a piece of pumpkin. Look a piece of soft yam. Name it, because, you know, only for ground food, man.
Where they go and provide.
Yeah, man, Oliver, here, look at, how much see the drop in the ground? How much? I hear things that coming up.
Everything I bust up now.
Everything I bust up now, you want to look at the pumpkin them, you know? Okra. Boy! Yeah, man, that's that. Yeah, man, you know?
Pumpkin so, them nice.
That's it, then Oliver, you hear that? Chief call and 4 dumplings, 1 2 finger banana, you know? Yeah. 1 piece of yam and 1 piece of pumpkin and name it, because you see me I say? I have all different type of meal, you know? I have ital soup on the side, vegetable.
You say? And you tell them about the gungo where you plant?
Yeah, man, the gungo. Whoa! You want to see the gungo them come up? I tell you, Oliver. That you want to see the gungo them come up? You soon get some picture of it, man. You know, show some picture of it, man. You soon get them, man. And then they come up the right way, man. I love them.
So you go plant the sweet pepper them now, you know?
So I get the sweet pepper them up and running now.
Yeah, right here now. So stay tuned. Dream team on team. See there. Oh, chef in the kitchen making it work. Ital is vital.
Yeah, man.
Red, green and gold.
I tell me I eat from what they don't know why.
Julia said must buy cash for some mackerel. She said Max are Castro. So like over down here. Come. Castro. Come. You say you're gonna thank Julia from the UK, from Canada. Castro. Come here, thank Julia from Canada. So Julia, thank you. Wait now. Wait man, wait. I said wait. Go on, Joe. Right, Julia, I can see some Max are getting night. One night, Max. Yeah, my Max, me there calling Max. Castro. Get into it, Castro. Want one more? Let me give you one more. I give you one more, okay? Share, man. Hey, share, man, share. The cat grab out one of the mackerel and run. Yeah. Go there, Castro, go there. Say thank you, Judah. Say thank you, Judah. Alright, listen. Castro, I'm gonna save the next proof when dinner time, right? So that is your lunch. So I'm gonna save the next two for dinner, right? I'm gonna save the next two for dinner, right, Castro? Alright, so you shake him head. Whoa, 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 whoa. These are the sweet pepper.
Yeah.
Sweet pepper, well.
Pepper sweetness night, you know.
Can we put it on the hands powder?
Yeah. No man, to give up the hands.
Yeah.
Jeez. These are the sweet peppers, you know. I'm gonna get the food and flavor taste. I'm gonna get the scotch bonnet.
Yeah. Just cover them like whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, season it. Alright. Yeah. So that's Sila them a ball for Germany. Yeah man.
That's Sila.
Yeah, that's Sila. Because Sila is a red style, you know. A ball for the Germany because Germany need a style. Yeah man. Like plain. Chopper. Name it. Different thing from once you have the dirt you build the mold for it, man. Yeah man. We have the best dirt in the world.
Gold, man.
Best style we have, yeah man.
It's the gold.
Yeah man. But then I'm going to St. Elizabeth and I'm going to find gold, you know.
This is the real gold.
And the real gold this. Yeah man.
This is the gold style.
Yeah, because if you have this and, you know, of the dirt, yeah man. Yeah man. See there. See there. So you must send a plate in right away some plant water take them. See there. Alright, see there again. So look at the man leave this. Jeez. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Give them a little shelter, you know?
Yes, sir, man. Yeah. Well, you can see why we can see it bust up. Bust up, bad. Yeah. Yeah. Proper, I get it there with man, yeah, man. Yeah.
Very proper.
Next thing we want some yammed, you know. Drop some yammed and some ill and us. So yeah. By next year we have enough yam. By next year yam a come. See the paper and the ants pour them, keep the seed them, you know, and the ants them eat them.
Them like to mingle, you know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, cause we need a pop chow, we need a color low, you know.
so the ants powder not do anything to it.
Yeah.
It not do anything to us. It's
Straight,
not
yeah.
harmful.
Just make for ants, you know.
Yeah, just for ants. It's not for human being.
All anti
don't
take
worry.
away, you know.
It's just for the ants.
Yeah.
If you're thinking, it might be without gloves or
Yeah,
Yes.
easy wash off, man.
don't worry.
Pop soap and bleach, cut it, you know.
See there, sweet
Yeah, man.
pepper.
When they take all 3-4 red and eat the one seed.
Eh? Yeah. So see there,
Yeah.
sweet pepper.
Straight, you know.
Nice. So them big real sweet pepper here, so
Yeah.
we have sweet pepper like nothing, we have some drop all in there, so
Yeah. Yeah, man, time I come keep it grow there, some man. Cause all the fire seen. But we can't take out to just leave, make them grow, cause nature.
that's a whole heap of still have a whole heap
All
left.
eat left, you know. Straight.
So sweet pepper swell so
Yeah.
like needle and thread.
Straight. Yeah, man.
If my man come with that and get 3 grand to give me grand. Oh, that look great? How much people happy now? Not just one, 3 of you happy. You see that?
Everyone happy.
By one movement,
One more.
3 hearts are happy.
Cold-hearted people,
Oh gosh.
Evil.
hey.
Alright,
They-
so
Hey!
Them see the glory, them don't know my pain.
Pain. them want me fall like Saddam Hussein.
Hey.
People.
They got my shirt, they got my foot.
They got my shirt, they got my foot.
Hey.
Get to youth for rich and money
No
no.
up in a bang boom. Dog them anymore. Yeah, SATNAM. So this is pop chow. You know, baby pop chow coming up. You know, some mature, some premature.
yeah.
But that's how it goes. You know.
So,
And you come in, all Aki is gone. All the Aki them gone already. Hey, take your time, Sandra. Yeah. Cause through a lot of Aki, so you have the Aki them always sprung up, so you have to just watch the walk. See them always sprung up. Then also we have a callaloo bed.
is the best thing for this to grow. The minerals that come off these rocks,
Yeah.
the natural food, the phosphorus.
That's why the pumpkin them round here, so you go sit in the rocks them beautiful.
Even you
Yeah.
can even, even go, like this. Put them in between, like see the little crevice here.
Yeah.
Drop something in there, man, and watch the thing grow. Believe me.
That's why we are looking for the
Believe
pumpkin them.
me.
You go see the
Yeah,
pumpkin them round here, so.
And pumpkin is great for natural fertilizer for your land.
Yeah.
So see how the vines are growing?
Yeah.
It's enriching your land too. You know that, though.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, when you got pumpkin, the vines,
Yeah.
they're getting older and they're getting older and older.
Yeah.
That is making
So here is this next callaloo bed. Yeah. Put some callaloo bed. See them callaloo bed over here, so you know. Yeah, let's callaloo bed here.
So breadfruit?
Yeah man, breadfruit.
Wow, wee. Oh God.
Breadfruit there. Plum. Plum there.
Banana?
Yeah man. I'm planting.
And plantain.
Yeah, planting, and so you have the okra them there, so.
Okay.
Yeah man, okra will drop, just watch them sticks.
Nice, no? So now watch this, no? Okay.
Forget to them, you know. Watch them, son. So you have the okra them up here. And okra too and everything. Where go on? You see me I try the farming now.
Try what?
You want to see how when she used to do the farming?
Try left in Seaview.
Yeah.
Yeah man, yeah do.
Yeah, do. Doing it. So these are the okras. Beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful, eh?
Okras, yeah. Okra springings, you know?
You see them there, they get crazy, you know? It's right, you know?
Yeah, that's the fence there.
It's right there, the fence right here.
Yeah.
And then it goes up behind the house.
Yeah, behind the house. And then now you have behind the house now where the pumpkins are. Where we show, you know. Nice man.
It's beautiful. Okay, no?
Yeah, them are the okra. Yeah. I'm see like okra push up already.
Of course man, you watch it.
Look,
you can't
see
wait
them,
to come up, yeah? Right there.
Look, see there?
Right there, this everything growing up.
Look already.
Shoot. Yeah. With
Already.
the fur on them already.
Yeah, with the fur. Already.
Wrong this to grow anything, bro.
When we forward in a couple of months, we're going to bring some seeds for you. Alright, some seeds, some different seeds.
See, everything plant at the same time. So it's pure pumpkin go that way as well too, you know, all the way that way. Come round. Yeah. Where you see the stick. Yeah. So where you see the sticks them, they're pumpkin as well too. So just put the sticks to mark them.
Yeah.
And everything.
No problem with water.
No. Look on these ones.
Yeah man.
And then plant the same time. Yeah.
Look on the roots. How thick that is. Even
Thick.
the vines started running, look, and they're all at the same time?
Yeah, everything planted at the same time.
Is that white? Hold on. You know, you can put a little Epsom salt on them, you know?
Epsom salt.
Just look at that, let's get rid of this white. This is okay. See, this is the white.
Oh.
You get some water, Epsom salt, mix it in there and just spray them.
It's natural, man. See the wool in the stick and then plant the seed. Look, the seed starts to shoot already.
Yeah, already, yeah?
So you have to change the direction for it to turn. So you have to change the direction.
Yeah.
Because it's going that way.
Very proper. Very nice.
You can walk that way, you have to go back around. Come. Take your time, Sandra.
Yeah.
So Oliver and Carla pass through now. We have Satnam and his wife he pass through. So these are some melon.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. See them again.
Yeah, man, what do you mean? Nice.
These are the melons then.
Nice.
More pumpkin as you walk along, you see them? We'll just put some sweet, some more okra over here. So go that way there. Take your time, son. Can you come that way, see me, son? Come this way.
Blessed day, too.
Is it auntie?
So that's auntie there.
Yeah. Blessed love, auntie.
Oh, yeah.
Blessed love. Nice to see you, you know?
Oh, Satnam is learning from you.
Oh, yeah, he should. If he should be learning something, you know?
Yeah, true that you're learning.
Nice to meet you. Young
So
lady.
this is Satnam. That's the husband of Sandra. Yeah. Yeah, that's our husband, yeah.
Nice to meet you. Very beautiful what you're doing here, you know? The boys are doing some beautiful work here. God bless, yeah.
Yes, and that's Amin mom. Same, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, come with us.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Amin have your ginger beer for you.
He said, Mommy, I figure something first. Amen.
Yes.
Yes, nice to meet you. We're here, yeah.
Dalpe.
Kino.
Yeah. Maga man.
I like it.
Red, green and gold.
Gino said, no, say, we'll go for the farm inside for me. Yeah, video first.
Yeah man, go on for them. Red, green and gold. Power chef say red, green and gold.
Big up God, you know? God above all things.
Every time. God over all things.
Yes,
Whoa, you know? Red, green and gold. Like power chef say now.
Jamaica.
Red, green and gold. Red, green and gold.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.